Ceiling-mounted drying rack storage solutions for small homes free up floor space while giving you efficient air drying options. Pulley-operated drying racks use a ceiling-mounted frame with multiple slats that lower and raise via a rope and cleat system, so you can load clothes at waist height and hoist them near the ceiling to dry. Install into joists with long lag bolts and use a block and tackle if you have heavy loads to reduce effort. Ceiling-mounted retractable clotheslines extend when you need them and retract into a slim cassette when you do not, so mount the cassette between studs at a comfortable reach and thread lines taut, replacing them if they sag or abrade. A fold-down drying rack mounted above the washer gives immediate access without blocking circulation. Secure studs, use a continuous hinge rated for the expected weight, and add rubber bumpers so the rack sits level when folded up. Slatted air drying racks installed over the bathtub are ideal for dripping items because they allow water to fall into the tub. Choose rot-resistant wood or coated metal and leave one slat removable for larger pieces. A wall-mounted rod with foldaway brackets lets you push the rod flat against the wall when not in use and open it when needed. Use strong brackets that lock open and position at least 6 inches above appliances to avoid heat and humidity exposure. For any option, measure clearances for doors and cabinets, balance load across fasteners, and consider ventilation patterns so clothes dry faster and do not create mildew. The most common mistake is underestimating weight, which leads to sagging or fastener pullout, so always assume heavier wet loads and secure into solid framing, and use hardware rated above your estimated maximum. A second frequent issue is poor airflow causing slow drying and odor, so place racks where ceiling fans or windows help air movement and avoid sealing small laundry spaces without vents. The third common concern is dripping on floors or appliances, so position dripper racks over tubs or install a drip tray and schedule drying times when you can towel up spills immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources focused on home projects that include space-saving laundry solutions, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and projects. We also host a discussion community where our members share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world experiences.